Okay.
What did he do?
Destroy the dog gate downstairs, like shoot through it. Because he wanted to come up and say hi to everybody, so he's shooting through his gate.
He just wants love.
He gets plenty of love. He's spoiled rotten.
Alright,
Is he?
Yeah.
He's a sweet dog.
What kind of cake is it, Ava?
Whoa!
Yeah.
Spider-Man!
Hey!
Hold on just a second and then you can play with the toys on it. Here,
Sit down in your chair.
sit on the birthday girl chair. We have to sing a song for you.
I sure will.
We're going to have to sing happy birthday to Ava. Am I special?
Sonia, where do we keep the toothpicks?
Oh, right here, hon. Oh, we're here. What?
Yeah, let him in.
What?
Spider-Man cake!
Well, they were right here, so I don't know whoever removed
Look
them.
at that! That's a
Look
cake!
at the cover right
That's a
there.
cake!
That's a cake.
I got floss sticks downstairs. I'll go grab those in a minute.
She must have a thing for Spider-Man.
She does. Is that the weirdest thing? I'm like, let's do Spider-Man theme.
Princesses.
We did Princesses 2 years in a row, and
Oh,
she
look at that cake.
was not
Oh, a
interested.
Spider-Man. It's a Spider-Man cake.
Look at that!
Oh my goodness!
Spider-Man.
There isn't any toothpicks in. Oh, no.
It's like in they're colorful ones.
We gotta eat cake!
Devin, did you
We're gonna
take some
sing happy
toothpicks?
We are!
Oh,
Yes. Are you gonna blow out your
wait, what
candles?
is it? It's not toothpicks, so. Well, these were?
Right behind you on that top, there's a lighter right here. Watch your bum, Sue. Okay, now you can do it.
That will be fun!
This will be fun.
Here you go. You don't want to use these? You need a toothpick. One toothpick.
Okay.
Oh, here we go.
Ready?
Hey, Grandpa.
Here we go.
Grandpa.
Here we go.
Happy
birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ava. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! All
Blow out your candle.
right.
Blow him. Blow. Blow.
Blow.
Make a wish and blow him. Good job.
All right.
Watch your hair. Oh,
All
good job.
right.
Did it.
Yay.
Birthday, Ava.
I did
You did it. Okay, do you want a piece of cake?
it! It says
She'd rather have the Spider-Man than the
I
cake.
did it! You did it!
I like the
Now
title.
give me cake! That was cool!
That was cool. Who's that right there?
You are such a big girl.
Who's that guy?
Are you going to send them to Aaron?
Spider-Man! There's Spider-Man!
There's
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man cake! Happy birthday!
That's happy
Good.
birthday.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Is that yummy?
She's so sweet.
Isn't she
Yeah,
funny?
she gets to open something. Sonia, is she ready for the gifts?
We're gonna cut the cake up, but yeah, what? Do you want to open presents now? And I'll just start cutting cake in.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're so
cute. Look at her.
What's everybody looking at? Hey.
Hey, George, look. Well, let's put her down there.
Oh,
and let-
down
if that's okay, that way I can do it. Okay, you're good. Thank you so much. Oh, set up Ava, you want a picture? Just like the paparazzi right now.
Skylar. Skylar did that. Let me see.
Ava say, why so serious?
That's Batman.
I know.
She's so cute.
Oh, you look so pretty.
Ava.
Mom's
Can you look
coming
up
in
here?
quick with a wet wipe, though.
Mm-hmm. You did.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web. Blah, blah, blah.
You kind of look like a kitty cat right now.
Look out,
And
there
that's gonna
comes the
get on your really
Spider-Man.
I'll
Aww,
get my peek and it's
it's so cute.
Yes, I'm gonna get you a piece of cake, Saba. Blow in it.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
she got it in there.
Nice.
Wipe your face and go sit down in there, and I'm going to have you open presents now. Do you want to open your presents now?
All right.
okay. Look at my presents.
All right, yes.